Hi guys, I want to talk to you a little bit about this week's group work. So it will be used to help you complete the graphic organizer assignment. And it makes reference to it in week 4. So when you go to your group, you just click on group. And then you go to one of the groups. And then you click on Group Wiki. Okay, and you'll see that this has already been created for you. And I sent to your email the assigned task. So one of you will be doing researcher, biographer, setter, character. In each group, I've been assigned the fantasy, which I've completed for you. And so you'll use these worksheets that will help you find information and organize your thoughts so that you can provide notes for the class. So when you're ready to do that, you enter Edit Wiki, and then you will put your information in there. Ideally, what you can do is probably copy and paste this when everyone's done, and then you will be able to later submit under your weekly work. So you'll be graded for the wiki work, but you'll also come back here to week 4. A few little steps this time, and you will complete your graphic organizer. So you'll submit that in the Word document like you always do. So it's just another way for you to be able to interact with your group and hopefully lighten your load. What we're doing is called a literature circle, and you can do that in your own classrooms. And it's a way of sitting like giving a PowerPoint to give background information for students. That's inquiry-based learning to find their own information and put it in. And usually students will remember things that they've done themselves, right? When you're teaching, that's when you truly remember. So I hope that helps on all levels. As always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. See ya.